Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by verifying essentials. Check Yuzu build and that your GPU meets minimum requirements. Once done, update your graphics drivers and install the latest Visual C++ redistributables so dependencies aren't causing crashes. Make sure to back up your config and save files immediately and isolate any mods or custom firmware in a separate folder. This prevents conflicts while we test. These first steps remove common environmental issues and let you proceed with focused diagnosis without losing data. Now you'll capture and narrow down the fault. Launch Yuzu with logging enabled and reproduce the crash to gather the error output. Logs show which module failed. Then disable shader caches and toggle multi-threaded shader compilation because GPU shader handling often triggers crashes. Load a default config and run the game. If stable, re-enable features one at a time to find the trigger. If a specific setting causes it, note the log lines and continue to targeted fixes. Finish by applying the specific fix identified. Update or remove problematic shaders, switch graphics API between Vulkan and OpenGL, or apply known compatibility patches. Make sure to test after each change. If instability persists, reinstall Yuzu or try the Canary build versus stable to see if the issue is build-specific. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: review the latest crash log for the failing module, then reinstall GPU drivers and reset Windows GPU settings before repeating tests to eliminate system-level causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.